Hello viewers, welcome back again to our channel Investing Advisors. You all know we have initiated with a new video series on weekly trend analysis for indices. Last week we had shared our analysis on May 12th weekly expiry. You can watch the video in the link above. Based on the same analysis, we had also taken the trades. The profit we generated for the week was 1.23 lakhs. If you have not watched the video yet, the link is available here. Now let's begin the trend analysis for May 20th expiry. If we look at option chain analysis on Nifty, on put options, 14,000 strike has the highest open interest contracts of 20 lakhs, followed by 14,400, 500, 600 and 14,700. Each of these strikes has 19 lakhs open interest, but what noteworthy to check here is 14,400 and 14,600 strikes has massive built up in positions, which is very evident with change in open interest percentage. Considering these aspects, we can very well say buyers are confident of Nifty not falling below 14,000 levels, at least in this expiry. On the other hand, on call options, 15,500 strike has the highest open interest positions with 48 lakh contracts. Further below, we see 15,300 strike has 29 lakh contract with 110% change in open interest, and going further down at 15,000, 14,900, 14,800 and 14,700 strikes each have around 27 to 34 lakhs with almost 100% change in open interest contracts. With this, we can understand Nifty may not have big moves in this week, provided no major news. Because until today, the positions taken by sellers suggest they are comfortable till 15,500 levels on upside. So Nifty has strong support at 14,000 and huge resistance at 15,500 levels. Let's look at Bank Nifty option chain analysis. On put side, 30,000 and 31,000 strike has highest open interest contracts with 7 lakh each. Also we see good built up in positions is seen with 139% change in open interest. Then next at 31,500, 32,000 and 32,500 strikes, we have 6 lakh contracts each. With this, we can fairly consider buyers are confident Bank Nifty not breaking 30,000 levels. Whereas on the call side, 35,000, 34,500, 34,000, then 33,500, 33,000 and finally 32,500 strikes has enormous change in open interest with 100 to 250% change. And on all these strikes, we have around 10 lakh contracts open. If we look at today's close, though Nifty and Sensex recovered from lows, but Bank Nifty was still in negative with 280 points down. This just implies that Bank Nifty can turn bearish or bullish. We have to see what happens in this expiry. Based on the volume and open interest analysis, we see max pain for Nifty is at 14,700 and Bank Nifty at 32,400 levels. Meaning to say, if these indices expires at these strikes, maximum buyers will lose money. But since max pain theory is derived by open interest, the addition or reduction in contracts across different strikes will definitely change the max pain. Let's also quickly take a look at FII and DII data. For 14th May, FIIs are long on futures by 600 crores and heavily short on cash by 2,600 crores. Whereas DIIs are long on cash by 600 crores. But what's interesting to note here is FIIs have 32k positions in calls. We will not know whether they are call buyers or sellers. The expiry will tell whether they were long or on call or short. Coming to the events, we do not have any major global as well as local events. However, we have companies announcing the results in this week, like Colgate, Airtel, Tata Motors, IOC, Canara Bank. These stocks will have result specific movements. With this, we conclude our analysis for the week. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked, give thumbs up and encourage us. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel. See you again.